Welcome back. Orchid Award 2015. Orchid Group of companies have awarded the Women Achievers in Goa. The award ceremony was held on Monday. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar presented awards to the distinguished women. Have a look.
I feel it is a pride for, just not for them. It is a pride for their family. It is a pride for the state. And it is a pride for the women community as well. I am sure you are those luckiest women who enjoyed equal status from the parents, equal status on par with the brothers, and whereby given equal status, I can tell girls fare well. Because luckily in my house I have a son and a daughter, and I can test well. खूप बरं दिसतं. गोंयच्यो महिला कितल्यो कर्तबगार आसात सोदून काडचें पडटा आनी ताका नजर आसची.
Kala Academy is all set to start Gurukul system. Music students and lovers can take the advantage of this system. Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Vagh informed that working people can take advantage of Gurukul system. Decision was taken during the first executive board meeting of Kala Academy.
नॉर्मल आमचे क्लास जाले की 7च्या नंतर 6:30च्या नंतर हे क्लासेस कला अकादमीत सुरू करतले जानेवारीच्यान. हे क्लासेसूय बी जाणकाराच्या मार्गदर्शना सकयल जातले आणि ते फक्त जे नोकरी किंवा अशें हें करतात तांचेच खातीर ओपन आसतले. रेग्युलर स्टुडंट आमी हाका घेवचे ना.
Kala Academy has also asked the government to hand over Agwad Fort and Sankwari Kala Mandir to the Academy. Academy is planning shows for the tourists at Agwada and Kala Mandir.
फोर्ट आग्वादचो किल्लो आमी मागला आमचे कडेन. थंय आमकां आमी गोंयच्या स्वातंत्र्य लढ्याचेर आधारीत सावंड एंड लायट शो हो आमी थंय करपाक सोदतात. हो शो करपा फाटल्यान आमचो उद्देश आसा की गोंयचो एक इतिहास कळचो. दुसरी गोष्ट टुरिस्टांक एक कितें तरी वेगळो एवेन्यू मेळचो पळोवपा सारको की हांगा येवन फकत बोटींग करून आनी कॅजिनोचेर वचून आनी हें करून गोंय पळोवन जावचें ना. जें सांकवाळाचें कला भवन आहा सद्या अपूर्णावस्थेन आसा आनी तें अर्देंच बांदून तशेंच उरलां. सो आमी ताजें इन्स्पेक्शन बी करून आयलात आनी सरकार कडेन आमी डिमांड केल्लें की तें आमचे कडेन सोंपोवचें. आमी थंय वेगळें कितें तरी करपाक सोदता म्हणून.
Kala Academy has decided to produce films on its own.
एक निर्णय म्हणजे आतां कला अकादमीन एक डिसिजन घेतलां की आमच्या लेवलाचेर कला अकादमीच्या लेवलाचेर एक परिपूर्ण अशें सर्वांगान गोंयकारपणाक उठाव दिवपी अशा एका चित्रपटाची आमी निर्मिती करता. की आमचे कडेन सगळी बाकीची मशिनरी आहा. आर्टिस्ट आसात आमचे कडेन, कलाकार आसात आमचे कडेन, टॅक्निशियन्स आसात, आमचे बाकीचे पॅराफर्नेलिया आसा.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Goa will host 61st National School Games Chalk Ball Tournament for under-19 boys and girls at Chikali Sports Complex. The championship, to be held from 19 to 21st November, will have 15 boys and 14 girl teams in attendance. Defending champions Goa have prepared well for the competition, with the state teams undergoing a coaching camp at Darbandora.
Sports and Youth Affairs is holding for the second time in succession the Chalk Ball Nationals for boys and girls. The Nationals are being held at Chikali. The Nationals are meant for under 19 boys and girls. And we expect about 15 boys team and 14 girls team to participate in this tournament. The entries are already confirmed. Unlike open nationals organized by the association, wherein people till the last moment anticipate or expect teams to come, when it comes to School Games Federation of India, The number of teams participating are known much well in advance. Read out the number of states that are participating: Andhra, Assam, Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana, Jharkhand, Kerala, Maharashtra, Orissa, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Vidya Bharati. Barring one or two, remaining states are states and they are a force to reckon with in the field of sports and games.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.